So I think it is visible to you all, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So yes. See. So see what I have gone through is someone has just shared a data set, right? That I have also downloaded that data set. I think we have this similar data set as you have given me, but the difference is just I have downloaded it from this RoboFlow library. So see what we are having in this data set is we are having the image of that vehicle. And for this image, we are having one txt file. The name would always be similar, like the name would always be same as the image. This is the XML file that we are getting from this library. Like I have downloaded it from RoboFlow RoboFlow library that I have shown
Sir,
you
I think the
yesterday.
data set is same.
Yes, the data set is same, but the difference is like we don't need this XML file. So to train the YOLO V8 model, what we need is we need this type of data. So I have one another data set that I have downloaded. So here what we are having is this is the standard format that we need to follow. So what we are having is we are having one data set in that folder. We are having one test, one for train, and one for validation. So this is the standard like structure format that we need to follow in case if you want to train any YOLO V8 or anything model that you need to create these three folders for that purpose. So let me go in this train folder. In this train folder, what we are having is we are having one folder for images and one folder for image like labels. So yeah, let me go through it. So we are having one images that is of auto rickshaw, and for this image, so we are having one labels file txt file .txt file in this labels directory. So see, this is the thing that we need to extract from open this. So see, this value that we need to train the YOLO model, these four values only. So what is this value is this is the value that we have shown in second or third lecture that I have shown you some annotation like detection and all that thing, and we are having one values that is x and x1, x y and y1, that is the coordinate of that image. So see what is it, this is x1 and x2. This corner is representing x1 x2 and this corner is representing y1 and y2. So that four values we need in case if you want to train any YOLO model, that four values is needed. We don't need any other values that is given here, like we don't need any other step. We don't care about this values that is given over here. We just need these values, these four values. These four values are enough to train in any YOLO model. If you want to train any YOLO model, you can get over these four values and your task is done. You can train YOLO model on that data set. So we are having these values that as of now. Yeah. So I am in data set, but it is not that much big data set. So we will train any model that thing. So we need to gather some data set from the open source, and we need to like say here we are having around 13 images for training. So we cannot train anymore like you model for using the images only. So as we see, we have one data set that is good, but the problem is with this XML files. So what we need to do is we need to extract this information from this XML files, and we need to store that information in the file so that we can use it for training purpose of YOLO models. So you guys understand what I am saying? Everyone?
Yes,
So
so
can you
like
please repeat?
So just so 1 minute, please. I will share my screen.
so you can write a like Python script that can
Yes,
track
yes,
that.
yes. Actually, I wrote, like I have written that Python script. I will share with you. But let me first go step by step. So the main thing I want to explain you is, in case if you want to train any YOLO model, you need to have different formats. Like if you want to train any YOLO V8 model, then the input format might be different than YOLO V11 model, your YOLO V10 model, your YOLO V7, 6, 5 models. So the input format might get different based on the model of YOLO. So in like here we are going to train YOLO V8 model. So the input format for YOLO V8 model is something like this. See, we are having five values. Zero will be constant. You are going to get the zeros in every annotation. We are having x1, x2, y1, y2. These four values we need in case if you want to train any YOLO model. And we have downloaded one data set that is given with this XML file. It is containing like extra information that we don't need. So we need this information only. X mean, Y mean, X max, Y max. So what we need to do is we need to extract this information. We are going to extract this information and going to transform it in this format so that we can train the YOLO V8 model. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt? Okay. So before going with this, I need to share some with you. Like if uh, let's say you are not having any data set for the training purposes, so what you need to do is you need to manually annotate each and every file to train that the YOLO models. And let's say you have trained the YOLO V7 model firstly, and after that you need to train YOLO V8 model as well. So you need to annotate that data second time, because the data that is annotated for YOLO V7, that is not going to be useful for YOLO V8. So we are having some platform on which we can annotate the data set, and we get the different format is that we need. Like if you need you- like if we need the data for YOLO V8, then we can get that thing. Like after the moving ahead, if we need that data set only, but that is for YOLO V11, then also by clicking one button we can get that data set. So we are having one library that is cvet.ai. You can see here. Let me share with you. This is the tool that we are going to use for the training of like annotation of the different images. So how we are going to do is we are going to start with a project. Wait for a minute. Yeah, we are going to start with a project. You need to create a new project in case if you want to like create an annotation. Like if you want to create any data set using custom images, then you can upload that images over here and you can annotate that images, and you can get the like the annotated data into different YOLO model formats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name it as a number plate detector. That is there. MBR. So yeah, so I have named it as the number plate detection project. Then what we have to do is like we have to add the different labels. So see in this image, for in this image what we are doing is we need to only like annotate the number plates only. So in this case there is only one label, that is number plate. Number plate, continue, cancel. See, we are getting this number plate. In case if you like see here, if you are detecting vehicle in this image, so you need different labels. Like one label is for this is car, so you need this one label that is for car. You also need one label that is bicycle. So you can add different labels over here. Like if you need to add a bicycle, let's say, like if you need to add bicycle, so you can add different labels. In case if you have like multiple classes and all that thing, like if you detect like if you are detecting vehicles, so you need to add different labels. Like you need to add a label for car, you need to add a label for a truck, another level for auto rickshaw. So that's how you can add different labels. We are going to add only one label, that is number plate. And we are going to submit and open this project. So yeah, so this project has been created, that is number plate detection project. So what we are going to do in this project is, now we are going to create a task. In case if you want to annotate any images and all that thing, so you need to create a task. So the name of this task is number annotation for, let me give this name, that number annotation for images. So after giving this name, what we have to do is you have to upload different images that you have to annotate. Let me select some images. I'm having images in JPG format. JPG. See, that much images that we are having at this point of time. We are taking these images as a whole and upload all that images. Submit and open. It will take some time and then it is going to open. Yeah, so let's go to the project. This is our project that we have created. This is a project created for trial purpose. So yeah, this is the project, and this is the task that we have created for this annotation. Let me open this task. So yeah, so that's how you are going. This is the basic UI that you are going to get in case if you are using this tool. We just need one thing, that is this annotation button. So you can delete this. If you are having multiple classes, then you are going to get option here to select multiple classes. But here we are having only one classes, that is number plate. We need to select this and then go to track, and you can track that here we are having number plate. See, this image has been annotated. You can see here number plate one. So that's how we annotate all that data. And do not forget to save this. You can save it Control S. Yeah, so this image has been done. You can move ahead with another image. So yeah, you can this, yeah. Wait for a minute. Yes, this is done. This is also done. See, here we are having this image. So that's how you annotate all your data. Let me annotate all the images. So we need to lock that image as well. I forgot about that. After like annotating the images, you need to lock that object. After that, it is going to lock that object as it is. So here, yes, you locked it.
So is there any way to automate this process for faster annotation?
No, no, no. There is not like we don't have any process to get this automation like the annotation of the images automatically, because see, because we are detecting these number plates, so detecting for like here we are doing it manually. Why we are doing it manually? Because in video analysis we want to make this process automatically. That's why we need to manually edit all these number plates.
So there aren't any like AI tools as well for this.
Not yet. We don't have any like a tool and all that thing. Although you can like download the already annotated data set like this. But in case if you want to like get your own images and all that thing, then you need to manually annotate all these images.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let me annotate all the images first. Then I will show you how we can download this for different formats. Wait for a minute. Time facing is getting different. Let me remove this. This has been logged. Let me go ahead. This is also been logged. Need to take different. Do not forget to log these annotations, because if you are not going to log the generation and you are going to export this, then there are some cases that this annotation block will move into different directions. I think we are having some issue with this because this is not able to annotate. Okay. Here we don't have any annotation. We annotate. So I think you got the idea that we how we have to annotate all these images, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. We need to annotate all the images manually only one by one. Or else if you are getting any pre-annotated data set, that would be very good to go ahead with. But if you want to use the custom data set and all that thing, then you need to annotate the images manually. So like after annotating all the images, what you need to do is you can go over here on action button, and there is some option to export text data set. So you need to go into this option, export task data set, and here you are get different format in which you can download the images. So see, we are having one for option for YOLO V, like YOLO 11, YOLO V8, YOLO V8. So let me download it with YOLO V8 detection 1.0. The name is number plate detection. It will take some time to download this. Open, it is not downloading. Wait for a minute. Export task. Let me go ahead with this. Download the file over here. See, you can download it from over here. Download, and yeah. So see, this has been downloaded. Go to go into data, and I'm going to paste it over here. So see, number plate detection jeep. Let me extract it over here only. Okay, we are having txt for all the images. This is the note we have done. Let me point one yellow V8. Yes. See, it has given the path of all the images that we have uploaded. Like I have uploaded around 36 to 37 images. We are having all the path. So this is the path that we have uploaded images. Where during the training of YOLO model, the model is going to get all the images from this path only. And this is their annotations. Wait for a minute. We are having only one class. That's why we are getting this thing. If you have multiple classes, then you are going to get option for different classes. Like if you are having vehicle, car, truck, bus, then you are going to get option over here only. Like 0 is number plate, 2 is car, 1 is like bus or truck. That's how. And this is the labels for the training purposes. So this is the labels that we are going to get. These are the coordinates of that objects in that given images. Like we are having ap3.txt, then what it is saying is we are having one images that is ap3. Let me search for its path detection data images in train. mm, Sorry, but I'm not getting the image. Yeah. You guys understand what I wanted to say? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes,
Like
sir.
you got the point that I wanted to explain you. Have you guys got that?
Yes.
So I just wanted to explain you that in case if you want to train different YOLO models, then the data that is going to be the input that is also going to change for all different models. That's why we are having this option to download the data into different formats. See, here we are having options. If you want to download it in Poco 1.0 format, then you can download it in that format. So there are multiple options here. You can download the data set in whichever format you want to download. So yes, that is the thing. So you in case if you want to train it by your own way, then you can annotate and you can download all the images. So see, we are going to see if we get any pre-annotated data set, then we are going to use that pre-annotated data set for the model training. And if we are not getting pre-annotated data set, then we are going to annotate all the data and we are going to download it from over here only. So for pre-annotated data set, See, here we are having one data set for different vehicle. One is this that is containing around 46 images, and another data set that we are having is this. This is containing 10,000 images around. But the problem with this data set is it is not any Indian data set. That is not the problem that we don't have any Indian data set, because we only need to track the number plates and all that thing. So that is going to be similar in all the cases. So we can use all this data set also.
The one that we downloaded, how do we check if the annotation values are correct? Like there is no inaccuracies in it.
You need to check it when you are going to download it. Like if you are downloading it from here only, then you can check it here only that it is like annotated correctly. Or else if you are not having any like this type of thing that you can check directly, then what you need to do is you need to create a visualization program in Python. So what you are going to do is you are going to read all the images, and that is related their like their txt files, which is showing the annotation values, and you can visualize where these annotation boxes are there on that images. That's how you can confirm that all the notations are at the correct location.
So that would be like a hectic process. So
Yes, yes,
this
that
one
is
is
going
better.
to. Yes, yes. So you can check over here only. So most probably there is no error in case of any annotation and all that thing, because these are the standard libraries that has been used worldwide. That's why you are not going to get that type of things that if the annotation are not correct. That is not going to be any issue. But yeah, try to see like if I want to download this data set and see over here as well, we are going to get the different options. If you want to train it on YOLO V11, you can download it with YOLO V11, YOLO V9, YOLO V8, 5, 7. All different things are available. And what you are going to get it, you are going to get one thing. So I have told you that you need some standard format in case if you want to train like this test, train, and validation. So these tables also provide you with that things.
Okay, sir.
So you get these things ready-made: train set, validation set, and test set as well. Let me download it for YOLO
So
V8.
can you please share this link?
Okay, I will share this link with you. Let me download this chip. So see, I am having this chip ready. Control X. Extract here. See, you are having all these files. So you don't need to do anything manually. That's why we use this different tools in case. So see, it is also in txt format because YOLO V8 is supporting txt formats. And there are all of these three files that we are going to see that why we are having all these files. Let me share this link with you first. So yeah, you can get this link in the message section. You can copy from there. Let me go to these files. So these are some standard files that you are going to get with all the downloads. Like these are some files that has been provided by this RoboFlow. So you don't need to go through this file. This is just a README file to get the information about RoboFlow and all that thing. So you don't need to go through with this file. The main file that is going to be useful for this training is this data.yml file. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. So yeah, this file is important. This is this data.yml file. What we are having in this file is we are having the location of all these three directories. That is, one is train directory that is containing the data for the training of the model. One is test directory that is containing the data that all the images and the annotation txt files. We are having the location of all these three directories in this data.yml file. This is number of count, like how many different detection you have in that data. We are having only one detection, that is a license plate. This is the name of that annotation. If you are having multiple data, then you are going to get multiple values over here. So this is the thing, and this is, we don't need that thing. We don't have the information, like these are the location of, from where you have downloaded the data set and all that thing. We don't need this much thing. This thing is important in case if you want to train any model with this data. So you only need to pass this data.yml file into the model training, and the model is going to get all the data from these locations. So it is directly going to get training data from this location, validation data from this location, test data from this location, and all the annotation and all that thing. It is going to detect, like going to collect all this data from this location only. So yeah, this data.yml file is important. All these two files, we don't care about all these two files because it is only the readme files that is giving us the information about this roboflow library and all that thing. So yeah, this is it for today's lecture. So what we have done is we have gone through this data annotation and all that thing. So going ahead, what we are going to do is try to find some data set that you think that it is helpful in the training of this yellow model and all that thing. For number plate detection, I have said one link. You can go through it. This is the number plate detection data set, and one also we need is the vehicle detection. The vehicle detection would have multiple classes. Like if we, like in this case of number plate detection, we are having only one class, that is number plate. But in vehicle detection, we are having multiple classes, like car, vehicle, like we are having car number, like trucks and all that thing. Try to export this data set and try to get data set if you are able to collect it. We will discuss all this thing in next lecture. So after collecting all this data and annotation and all the thing, we are going to start with the training of the yellow models. So I am trying to train some models. So I think you all are not able to train this model on your local system. So what we can do is we try to train all this model onto Google Colab. Google Colab is providing some GPUs, so we use that GPU and try to train our model on Google Colab only. So yeah, this is the whole thing for today's lecture. Let me take your attendance.
Sir, I'll show you one data set after that.
Yes, please share. Wait, so you can share your screen. Are you sharing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Is it visible, sir? Hello, sir.
It is visible. Yes. So
Another
these are all
vehicle,
are okay.
vehicles. Okay.
So you are having any annotation file that we have got that txt file and or XML files?
These are labels.
Okay, okay. So what we can do is you can have this train okay. Can you please open one image?
You can open another image.
Yes, yes, yes. You can open another image. That is not visible. Okay, no worries. We'll see that thing. So what we can do is we can collect this data set, and after collecting this data set, what we are to going to do is we can create any one drive from where you all guys can download all that data set, and after we going to train these your models. Okay, Meeta, you can stop your screen. Let me take your attendance. So what we are going to do is I'm not able to take yesterday's lecture. So we are having one lecture on this Saturday. Hopefully, I will, if I am available, we are going to conduct one lecture on this Saturday as well. So today is Priyanshu Singh Sohan. Priyanshu, Hemesh Verma,
Present, sir.
Kori Sai Mehta,
Present, sir.
Subbalakshmi,
Present, sir.
Janani,
Present, sir.
Soumyajit,
Present, sir.
R.K. Sharma,
Yes, sir.
Vaibhav Bari,
Present, sir.
Shraddha Sagar Patil,
Present, sir.
Nagarjun,
Present, sir.
Anchal Sati, Anchal
Present.
Sati. Okay. Pradha Saradi,
Present, sir.
Rudra Pratap Singh, Rudra Pratap Singh, Kuruvada Uday Kiran, Anirudh, Anirudh, Tharva Khobrekar,
Present, sir.
Prashant Sharma, Prashant Sharma, Chaudhary Rohit, okay, Kavita Thakur,
Present, sir.
Kabir Mittal, Arya Falke,
Present, sir.
Balam Sainiti,
Present, sir.
Bhumika Samal, Bhumika Samal, Arman Sharma,
Present, sir.
okay. So yeah, okay. See
Sir,
you tomorrow.
Anirudh is present, sir.
Anirudh, wait for a minute. Okay, done.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much for joining this lecture.
Thank you, sir.
See you tomorrow. Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.